I don't know, but black people don't do stuff like this all the time.
It's freaking walking. Black people freaking have the underground railroad. Like, they
What does the underground railroad have to do with
you're talking about, they walk in the dark, in the trail, in the dark.
If this was a scary movie, we'd be dead first because the credit's not even finished. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Girl, I'm from the country.
You're not.
Yes, I am, Harlingen, Texas. You walking like you in Ross, shopping.
What are you talking about?
Why you ducking down? Why you jumping? Yeah, I hear that. You see your scary tail. You talking about me? You don't need this?
No, this is a guide with just the flowers, not a map, okay? Or the plants, not the flowers.
You might need it. Poison ivy.
Oh, turn that off.
We lost.
No, I'm not.
We gonna die.
Gotta freaking follow the trail. So the trail's gonna lead somewhere.
It's gonna lead us straight to doom.
No, it's not.
Out here. I've seen this stuff in the movies.
We're close to some water.
You gonna jump in and swim like you in the Blue Lagoon?
I think that was moccasin.
You're gonna get bit by a moccasin in that water.
Can you please turn that off?
We got a video record just in case something happened to us. They got evidence that she did this to me. This is beautiful, man. Look at that.
It's just trees.
But that's how they catch you. When it's beautiful, walk towards it. Then at the end, something jump out and get you. Cut your spleen out, rip your throat down your neck and think. Oh, just 10 minutes.
I think that's what my wife just said. Yeah, but you've been walking 10 minutes.
It feels like an hour.
I got a cramp.
On the second day.
My left leg.
You got a cramp already? 10 minutes into the walk and look at you stretching.
No, we should have stretched before we started.
It's all for documentary. What do we have here? What kind of animal laid this type of turd? Is it a deer? Interesting. We're getting close. Oh, look like he had coffee. Or peanuts. Slaves' quarters?
Well, I don't know. Because, you know, they're German. They were Germans. So, Elmer Lumpy Pleb, son of Edward and Minnie Williman.
Oh, Minnie.
Because I led you to the right place.
Oh, you led me
Now, I
here.
don't
Oh,
know
okay.
if it ends. No, I mean, we
Oh, you can barbecue here and everything. Look at that.
Oh, it's
That's how they trap black
reserve.
folks. That's how they trap us.
hold
Have a
on.
barbecue pit.
So this
They
is
come out and
the
get us.
scout camp.
Carla, don't go in there. Don't go in there, Carla. They gonna get us. It's nothing, girl. It's just.
No, haven't you been to a slave museum?
Yeah, I have.
I've been to several.
Is this a cotton gin? Is this a cotton gin? No, it ain't no cotton gin.
Oh my god.
What? What?
It's a snake. Oh my god. I said a curse word. Yikes. It's a snake. Oh my god. It's a snake. Oh my god. Yikes. Oh my god. It's a snake. take that out.
I'll bleep it out. Well, we made it, y'all.
I thought you already said it.
No, we made it though.
Okay, yeah, we got it.
This is the end of the video. Nature walk with Carla and Alfonso. Black people style. A lot of cool adventure though.
Like black people style?
Yeah, black people style. You know, we ain't used to all this.
That's not true.
You ain't from the country.
I'm not from the country, but we did
Bye,
country
y'all.
things.